Imagine a world sculpted from clay, every mountain, river and leaf shaped by hand. We'll explore northeast India through the valleys of Mechuka and Ziro. Here, nature is wild and traditions run deep. Claymation brings these landscapes to life, showing the bond between people and nature. Step into this storybook world. Our journey through Mechuka and Ziro begins. Our first stop is Mechuka, hidden deep in the Himalayas of Arunachal Pradesh. The Yargyapchu River flows like a blue ribbon through green forests and mountains. Horses graze in peaceful meadows, and wooden bridges connect small villages. Bamboo and wooden houses stand on stilts, smoke curling from their chimneys. The Memba, Adi, and Ramo tribes have lived here for centuries. As the sun sets, the valley glows in golden light and stars appear. Mechuka is a sanctuary of peace, where nature's beauty is the greatest treasure. The only sounds are the whispering wind and gentle river. This is the magic of Mechuka, a world we can almost touch. In Mechuka, we meet the Adi people, guardians of ancient traditions. Their culture is deeply connected to nature, seeing forests and rivers as living beings. In claymation, an Adi elder tells stories, his hat adorned with a hornbill's beak. The Adi are skilled artisans. Women weave vibrant textiles. Men craft with bamboo. These skills are passed down through generations, keeping their heritage alive. Community is central. Villages are close-knit, and everyone helps one another. Festivals like Solung celebrate the harvest with music, dance, and feasting. The entire village gathers, dancing and singing stories of creation and the land. The Adi's unique council, the Kabang, ensures justice and consensus. This system preserves their social order and cultural identity. In our clay world, we see a society that values wisdom, tradition, and harmony. The Adi are not just inhabitants, they are stewards of their land. Their legacy endures. Next, we journey south to Ziro Valley, a wide flat expanse surrounded by pine-clad hills. The valley's patchwork of rice paddies stretches like a green and gold quilt. In claymation, these fields shimmer with texture and color, water reflecting the soft sky. Ziro is a model of harmony between people and nature. The Apatani have perfected integrated farming, raising fish in their flooded paddies. Tiny clay fish swim among green rice stalks, illustrating a sustainable way of life. Morning mist drifts across the fields, giving the valley a dreamlike quality. The silence is profound, broken only by birds and the wind. Exploring Ziro is like stepping into a living painting, every view a masterpiece. Villages nestle among pine trees, their houses blending with the landscape. Our claymation camera pans across this scene of balance and beauty. Ziro Valley is a fragile paradise, carefully tended and deeply loved. It's a testament to what's possible when people respect the land. Ziro Valley is home to the Apatani people, known for their unique customs and deep environmental wisdom. For centuries, they've cultivated rice without animals or machines, using intricate irrigation channels. Clay models show water flowing through small canals, connecting every paddy. Apatani society is peaceful and organized, with a strong sense of community. Once, Apatani women wore facial plugs and tattoos, a tradition now faded but still part of their identity. In claymation, an elder's face tells the story of this bygone era. The Apatani worship the sun and moon, protecting sacred groves instead of building temples. These groves, shown as untouched patches of forest, are considered holy. Festivals like Mayoko celebrate friendship, family, and the land. During these times, villagers dress in hand-woven clothes, singing and dancing for a good harvest. Our claymation scene bursts with color and joy. The Apatani show us that a meaningful life is built on tradition, community, and respect for the earth. Their wisdom is a living legacy. A mystical aura lingers over Mechuka and Ziro Valley. It's in the morning mist, the silence of ancient forests, and the legends passed down through generations. These are lands steeped in history and spirituality. In Mechuka, the Samten Yongcha monastery stands on a hilltop, a beacon of peace for the Memba people. Inside, clay monks chant prayers, incense smoke curling in the air. The Apatani believe spirits inhabit the forests and rivers, with shamans acting as intermediaries. In claymation, a shaman chants by firelight, bridging the human and spirit worlds. Ancient megaliths stand in Ziro, their origins mysterious, silent witnesses to the past. These stones, rough and ancient, tell stories words cannot. The mysticism here is a blend of religion, folklore, and history. Our clay world captures this spiritual landscape. The valley's legends and rituals are woven into daily life. Here, the unseen is always present. Our claymation journey through Mechuka and Ziro Valley comes to an end. We've seen beauty, met the Adi and Apatani, and witnessed their deep connection to the land. These valleys are living examples of balance and sustainability. Their isolation has preserved unique cultures and pristine environments. But change is coming. New roads, new ideas, and new challenges. The future depends on thoughtful, respectful development that honors tradition and nature. The wisdom of local communities is the key to sustainable progress. Preserving their heritage and environment must be the top priority. The enduring spirit of these valleys lies in their people and their bond with the earth. As we pack away our clay, the images of these valleys remain vivid. These are not just stories, they are lessons in harmony, tradition, and beauty. Northeast India's untouched charm is a precious gift, a world where magic is still real, a world worth preserving.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.